To make line paper in Google Doc, the easiest way to do it by inserting a table with one cell. So first insert table, one cell, then click the little arrow, click here and change the color to light gray and the thickness to 1.5. Next, click on the little arrow and highlight the left line and set it to 0. Go back again, click the little arrow, click the right border and set it to 0. Then insert one row below. Keep clicking insert row, the plus sign, until you have the number of rows you need. And that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please consider to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.